Menstrual cycle-related complaints are also among the traditional uses of turmeric. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and muscle-relaxing properties, it is reported to help alleviate menstrual cramps. One study observed a significant reduction in PMS symptoms. This finding is particularly important for young female viewers. Now let's pause and discuss an important fact. There are many exaggerated claims circulating online about turmeric. Some sources present it as a cure for almost every ailment. However, the scientific truth is that turmeric's benefits are supportive, they are not curative. Natural products cannot replace medical treatments. Now, let's talk about how to use turmeric in everyday life. The most classic and effective method is adding it to dishes. Turmeric added to lentil soup, chicken dishes, rice pilaf, and salad dressings adds both flavor and color. Don't forget to use it with black pepper. Golden milk is the most popular modern way to consume turmeric. It is prepared by adding turmeric, black pepper, cinnamon, and honey to warm milk or plant-based milk. It is especially recommended to drink it at night because it has both relaxing and cell-regenerating properties. Preparing turmeric tea is also extremely easy. Boil 1 teaspoon of turmeric in a glass of water for about 10 minutes. This time allows the curcumin to dissolve better. Adding ginger, lemon, and black pepper will increase both the flavor and effectiveness. 1 to 2 cups a day is sufficient. Turmeric yogurt mixture is both a nutritious and practical option. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a little olive oil to a bowl of yogurt. This mixture, as a snack, will keep you feeling full and ensures that curcumin is absorbed along with the fat, thus maximizing its absorption. Smoothies and juices is also becoming a common practice. The carrot-orange turmeric combination is excellent in terms of color, taste, and health benefits. Adding a pinch of black pepper to this mixture, while not immediately obvious, significantly enhances its effects. Turmeric is also used in various ways in the field of skincare. A face mask made from honey and turmeric can help with acne-prone skin due to its antimicrobial properties. However, be careful. Turmeric can leave a permanent yellow stain on the skin. It is recommended to perform a small skin test before use. Is fresh turmeric or powdered turmeric better? Both have their own advantages. Fresh turmeric is richer in essential oils and contains different active compounds. Powdered turmeric, on the other hand, contains a higher concentration of curcumin and is more convenient to use. Ideally, you can incorporate both into your diet. Turmeric pills and supplements have formed a large market in recent years. Supplement forms contain much higher concentrations. It contains curcumin. Compared to 3 to 5% natural turmeric powder, supplement capsules can contain up to 95% curcumin. This concentration offers benefits but also carries serious risks. Let's not forget about turmeric stains. Turmeric leaves a stubborn yellow stain on fabrics, plastics, and countertops. This stain needs immediate attention. A mixture of white vinegar, lemon, and baking soda is effective on surfaces. However, leaving fabrics in direct sunlight will accelerate fading. And now we come to the part one want you to listen to carefully. Side effects and dangers. It's a very common misconception that everything natural is safe. Turmeric is generally safe when used as a spice. However, using it in high doses or in supplement form can lead to serious problems. The most common side effect is digestive problems. High doses of turmeric can cause nausea, diarrhea, indigestion, and heartburn. These symptoms may be more severe in people with gastritis or reflux. Daily consumption should be limited to 1 to 3 grams of turmeric powder. Blood thinning effect is one of the most significant dangers of turmeric. Curcumin, it reduces platelet function and slows blood clotting. Those taking blood thinners such as warfarin and aspirin should be extremely cautious about consuming turmeric and should definitely obtain their doctor's approval. Using turmeric before surgery can increase the risk of serious bleeding. If you are planning any surgical procedure, you should completely stop using turmeric at least 2 weeks before the operation. This time is necessary for the body's clotting mechanism to return to normal. Turmeric poses a serious risk for those with gallbladder problems. Turmeric stimulates bile flow. While this property aids digestion in healthy individuals, it can lead to severe pain attacks in people with gallstones. Individuals with gallbladder problems should avoid turmeric or consult a doctor. The risk of kidney stones cannot be ignored. The oxalates in turmeric combine with calcium to form insoluble calcium oxalate. This compound can accumulate as stones in the kidneys. Those prone to kidney stones should limit their turmeric consumption. It can also have a negative effect on iron absorption. The components in turmeric can reduce the absorption of iron by the body. Individuals with iron deficiency anemia should not consume turmeric at the same time as iron-rich foods and should discuss their condition with their doctor. Its effects on hormones should also be considered. High doses and long-term consumption of turmeric in men have been reported to reduce testosterone levels and negatively affect sperm motility. Men concerned about their reproductive health are advised to avoid excessive consumption. Lead contamination in turmeric powder is also a documented serious problem. Some cheap turmeric powders, especially those from countries with weak regulatory mechanisms, have been found to contain lead. Lead is extremely harmful to the nervous system. Therefore, purchasing from reliable sources is of utmost importance. Regarding drug interactions, turmeric can interact with many medications. Caution should be exercised with blood thinners, diabetes medications, blood pressure medications, antidepressants, and antipsychotics. It is reported to both increase and decrease the effectiveness of chemotherapy drugs. Those who regularly take medication should definitely obtain their doctor's approval. Now let's clearly list the groups who should absolutely not use turmeric. For these groups, turmeric supplements pose a real danger. Please listen carefully because this information could be life-threatening. The use of turmeric supplements is not recommended for pregnant women. Curcumin can cross the placenta and increase the risk of premature birth. It may also interact with birth control pills. While small amounts of turmeric added to food are considered safe during pregnancy, supplement form should be strictly avoided. Breastfeeding mothers are also advised to avoid turmeric supplements. There is insufficient scientific data on whether curcumin passes into breast milk and its effects on the baby. The very existence of this unknown is reason enough to be particularly cautious during this period. Those taking blood-thinning medications, especially warfarin or aspirin, should absolutely avoid turmeric supplements. The increased risk of bleeding can lead to serious and even life-threatening consequences. It is also recommended that these individuals consult their doctor regarding the use of turmeric as a spice in their food. Those with gallstones, gallbladder inflammation, or bile duct obstruction should avoid turmeric. Turmeric's ability to stimulate bile flow can cause acute pain crises and serious complications in these patients. This is extremely important and should not be ignored. Those with liver failure or liver disease should also exercise caution. High doses of curcumin can strain the liver. Doses exceeding 4,000 milligrams per day carry a risk of serious liver damage. Patients with elevated ALT and AST enzyme levels should absolutely avoid using turmeric. Now, let's talk about how to buy turmeric correctly. Choose organically certified turmeric. Try to find out the country of origin of the turmeric you are buying. Avoid products that are very brightly colored, look artificial, and are abnormally low in price, as these may contain additives or even lead. How should you store turmeric? Turmeric powder should be stored in an airtight container in a cool, dark, and dry place. Direct sunlight and moisture will break down curcumin, reducing its effectiveness. Fresh turmeric root, however, can be stored in the refrigerator for a few weeks and in the freezer for months. For those who don't want to consume turmeric without black pepper and oil, here's a practical formula. Mix freshly grated turmeric root, black pepper, and olive oil. Add this mixture to your meals as a sauce or take about a teaspoonful on an empty stomach in the morning. It's a simple yet powerful combination that maximizes bioavailability. Turmeric is an indispensable ingredient in curries, harissa, ras el hanout, and spice blends. It is found in many cuisines around the world under different names. From Indian cuisine to the Middle East, North Africa to Southeast Asia, it is an integral part of daily cooking traditions across a vast geographical area. The relationship between turmeric and science still holds many unanswered questions. Efforts are underway to overcome the issue of bioavailability. Nanotechnology-based curcumin carriers are being developed. It is expected that in the future, drug formulations derived from turmeric will play a more effective role in modern medicine. One final important note about turmeric. Always be mindful of the difference between incorporating turmeric into your daily kitchen and using it as a medicine. Turmeric used as a spice provides supportive well-being in the long term. However, taking high doses in pursuit of treatment is a completely different and dangerous choice. Today we covered turmeric in all its dimensions. From its millennia-old history to its molecular secrets, from its amazing benefits to its real dangers, we shared the complete picture of this golden spice with you. I hope this information helps you make informed decisions. Finally, we strongly warn you, the information in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Individuals with chronic illnesses, those taking medication, pregnant or breastfeeding women, and those about to undergo surgery should absolutely consult a healthcare professional regarding the use of turmeric. Our channel is not responsible for any potential negative consequences. Thank you so much for your interest in the Plant Engineer channel. We will continue to explore nature's medicinal plants in the light of science. See you in the next video. Take care and always remember to consult an expert. Goodbye.